Here we have our hiker shoe collection. These are
lovely.
all people who have hiked the North Country Trail and stayed with us.
Oh,
And most of them are through hikers. A couple of them are the state of Michigan hikers.
nice.
But so if you decide you want to donate after staying here, you can put a pair of shoes up on this side.
Okay.
We have the trail in license plates.
Oh, that's
So,
cool.
Vermont, New York, Pennsylvania,
Yeah.
around Ohio through North Dakota.
Love it. Potty room.
Deja Poo.
Okay.
It's a
Got lots to look at while we're in
It's a
here.
4.5 star. Would poop here again.
Oh gosh. Oh, that's funny.
And you get
Cute.
the rear wiper wash button. I don't know what.
Okay.
These are all postcards from. I'm a postcard guy.
Yeah.
You'll get a postcard from Been Walking to before you leave. But
Nice.
so I send postcards. I get postcards, so I put them in here. Here's got
there's
the
the-
campfire area and the
Yep.
picnic table.
Cute.
I found
What
one
is
thing
that?
in hiking. It's an old spool
Oh, yeah.
that I cut down. It
Yeah.
was a wire spool.
Gotcha.
And I found one thing at every campsite that had a picnic table. It was the nicest thing in the world to have a place to sit down
Yeah.
and cook at.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
And you don't always have that on the trail.
That's true.
So a picnic table was a necessity.
Love it.
We have a solar shower.
Oh, really?
It's not quite ready. I mean, it's not quite warm enough, right? We don't quite have the solar, but
Oh, fun.
we have a tank on the roof, and
Okay.
the sun heats it. And
Oh, nice. That's amazing.
it's an old pig hut that
Oh,
it matched the bin, so I thought it would be perfect.
it is. That is good.
Well, retractable clothesline, so you can pull this out and hook it up and dry your clothes.
Oh, your big map.
This is the map.
I've seen pictures of the map.
The map came out of the original headquarters up in Newaygo.
Oh, really?
It was the old schoolhouse building, and it was on the wall, and it's from like 86, 87.
Okay,
time
yeah.
period.
Nice.
And we get everybody's picture in front of this. So
Okay.
If you follow Been Walking at all,
Yeah.
you'll see
Yep.
that we have those on there. We've got a
Cool.
scale so you can weigh your pack. You can
Oh
see how much
my.
you're carrying.
Yeah.
Some old decor in here.
Nice.
We also have, this is a recent addition. Last year we bought a washing machine so they didn't have to bring their stinky clothes in the house.
Nice.
So,
There you go.
functioning old wringer washer, you wring it out and
Yeah.
you know, you pick whether you're a weekender, a section hiker, or a through hiker, and you set the dial and you go.
That's awesome. I love it. Down we go. You are here, right?
Yeah. Alto.
Cute. Woo! That's fun. The bin. Oh. It's so cute. Lovely place to stay. Nice. NCT. Goodness, I don't think I can catch all the details. There's so many little details. A video of this delicious meal that's been provided for us by these wonderful people at the Wonderful Bin.
Did you make this? Lord have mercy, woman. Oh my gosh, she gets up, drops me off in the morning, and looked all good for just waiting. You said you look great. Seated the trail. And
Nice.
prepares all this feast.
Delish.
Last night I'm like, man, all the time I'm hiking.
Through the woods, and I thought when my buddy said, let's walk from the bridge to Grand Bay, I said, okay. Let's
Nice.
and,
Lovely.
I started looking at prices, and they were unbelievable.
Oh my
And
gosh.
the bend is all natural. That's the bend of the tree. I split the logs to get the. I didn't cut the lumber out of it. I split the logs to get the natural growth. So this growth ring actually went like that.
Wow.
And I ended up with 4 or 5 pieces.
Or something. But usually they're like when there's tornado weather. Not right now.
Look at that plane.
Yeah. It rained on. Yeah, it looks nice and clear over there.
Yes, the sun.
Ah, that's so weird.
I just was thinking, there's a couple drips.
I hear the drip drops. A little bit of rain. Oh, it's so cool looking. Woohoo! It's raining. Raining at the bend. Oh, that's pretty over there. Rainy night in the bend. Whoa.
Fire's still going though.
It's still going, that's right. Woo.
Well, you're welcome to sit back and relax until the rain passes.
There's a storm going on. All of a sudden my siren went off for a tornado warning, but we're not sure about this. They probably have a basement or something in their house. Or like a storm shelter. That's what I was trying to think of. Oh boy. Good morning. We're in Alto this morning. We survived a night at Walkin and in a tornado warning. Saying goodbye to the bin. We're off to Lowell this morning. We're gonna hike from Fallasburg Park south. So here we go. Here we go. Fallasburg Park. That's where we left off last time. And this is where we're going. Yeah, I wasn't watching. Oh, hello, geese. Woo! We're lost already. We're lost already right in the park. One wrong turn. Oops. Oh yeah, duh.
Again, it was just a minor.
It was only steps out of the way,
Yeah.
not a mile or something. Flat River. There's my house. Look at that one over there. Oh, it's gigantic. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you'll know this is the section where I had to pull out my rain poncho because I got stuck in the rain out here. Right by the curve over there is where I videoed from when I was stuck in the rain. We're going the opposite direction today. And that was in the fall. This is in the spring when the trees are just starting to bud. And some of them still don't have any. It's awesome seeing the difference of the trail in all the different seasons. Duckies. I don't have any babies. Just the duckies. This guy who lives in this little house, there's this little barn, gave me and my friend Jen a hitch once when we got stuck out here in the dark. So that was our first time getting a hitch, and he was the nicest man. I think that's the same truck he gave us a ride in.
Okay, well,
Back we go into the woods this time, up the hills.
Chris is very good.
You can see them way over there. It's hilly through there. Here I go. Whew, I almost forgot my trekking poles. Had to go back and get them. So I'm a little bit behind everybody. Here's the flat river down below. It's nice to be able to see it through the trees.
That.
Yeah, that was from the storm last night.
Yeah.
Whoa. They thought it was snow at first. Back we go. I'm out of breath if you can't tell. That section from here all the way to the disc golf on the other end of the park. Whew, that part will wear you out, but it's beautiful. And then I think we get some flat sections for a little bit, and then whew, back over on the other side there's a little bit of hills too, and along the river over to the Boy Scout camp, and that is all the farther I've been. So from there south is all new to me, down to where we parked, which was on Segwun, I think is how you say it. Yeah, in a little parking lot there, a little dirt parking lot, Lowell Greenspace, something like that. I'm gonna catch my breath now and catch up a little bit. Oh, I still see hail. That's crazy. Yep, we definitely didn't get the hail, but we did get a bunch of rain and lightning and a severe thunderstorm warning and a tornado warning, so good times. They're reporting a down
Or
tree.
you tell them it's 3 inches.
This is the field where I was walking and somebody at that house shot off their shotguns and scared the crap out of me.
Okay.
That's where we're at. Ooh, the pretty sign with the hail in the background. Twirly tree. Oh, it looks like snow. That's craziness. It's everywhere. Hail, hail, hail. That is really funny. There was a lot of hail through here last night. This is April 24th, so the storm was yesterday. Seems a little early for that kind of stuff, I guess, but, and it wasn't even hot. It was like 50, so that was really odd. Oh yeah, beautiful view. This would be a good place right here to sit and chill and look at the view and eat something. Woo, view from the top. Ooh, it's so pretty. This is the S car, she said.
Kind of a pointed area where it drops down on both sides. I don't know. In Ohio, we call it a towpath.
Towpath. Yep.
What's the towpath?
S car. Look how far down it is.
These would be, like the canal would be here. And
Oh, gotcha. Yes.
Yes,
I don't
Karen.
want my phone to fall down there, but man, is that pretty.
Isn't it cool?
Beautiful.
I love this part.
They almost look like baby
Rats
tiger
the other
lilies.
day, though.
I did too. I saw them yesterday on my walk. And
This is Lowell, Michigan, which is also the home to the North Country Trail Association headquarters. Beautiful. There's the boat. You can take a boat ride all around the river. Look at the
they look like
babies.
they're just having family time.
They're having family time.
I'll wait
Aw.
with you guys.
Oh, they're so cute. Oh, they're so little. Fuzzy. Nice, it's pretty. I've never been on the boat.
what is that?
Okay. Going across here.
Don't forget to get my right. Look. There's a personite right there.
Oh gosh. It's hidden. It's like behind something. track above us. The sunshine is coming out. We still have, I think, about 4 miles. Lowell Regional Greenspace. The end of the hike today. Woo.
Yeah, I mean, you recommend going down?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
That goose is like, you stay away from my babies.
You mean you do this the whole time?